Heavy rainfall is continuing to pound Southern California today, and this means dangerous flooding and debris flows are likely in Los Angeles and Ventura counties. The Ohio Valley isn't off the hook either, as we could see heavy rain and strong storms moving through by later tonight. Let's break down exactly what to expect. Good morning. I'm Tempest and you're tuned into the Weather Center for your latest update. Let's dive right in with what's happening across the country. Now, let's talk about Southern California, specifically Los Angeles, Santa Barbara, and Ventura counties. We're dealing with a serious situation as heavy rainfall continues to impact these areas. The National Weather Service has issued a moderate risk warning for excessive rain, which means there's a high chance of dangerous flooding and debris flows, especially in burn scar areas that are particularly vulnerable. We're looking at additional 2 to 3 inches of rain over the next day or so, with some places already seeing more than 6 inches since the storm began. If you're in Los Angeles right now, be prepared for heavy downpours continuing through tonight and into tomorrow morning. And on top of that, if you're near any burn scar areas, please take extra precautions as we expect debris flows to occur. Now, let's move over to the central and southern plains as well as parts of the Midwest. You can expect a warm spell today, with temperatures reaching above normal levels, some even breaking records soon. This warmth will stick around for much of early next week too. For example, if you're in Kansas City or St. Louis, highs are expected to be in the mid-70s today and into Tuesday. If you're traveling through these areas, expect pleasant conditions with plenty of sunshine, but also some gusty winds, around 15 to 20 miles per hour. And this is going to continue throughout much of your day. Now, here's what's happening in northern New York and New England. You're dealing with a wintry mix that could turn into several inches of snow by Sunday, especially at higher elevations. If you're heading out over the weekend, be prepared for slick conditions, especially if you're up in the mountains or near any elevated areas. Moving inland tonight, we've got another system bringing widespread rain to areas like the Great Basin, Southwest, and then the Central and Southern Rockies over the weekend. But don't think this is the end. Another weather system is already on its way into Central and Northern California, starting late Sunday and continuing through Monday. That's going to bring a mix of heavy rain and some snow in higher elevations. And for those of you in San Francisco or Sacramento, expect conditions to remain wet over the weekend, with potential flash flooding in certain areas. Looking ahead to mid-next week, we're expecting a pattern of moderate rainfall moving from the mid-Mississippi and Ohio valleys all the way to the mid-Atlantic by Wednesday. The West Coast will see another round of precipitation as well, though it won't be as intense as what Southern California is currently experiencing. Now let's look ahead at our extended national outlook. We're starting off with some unsettled conditions moving through the Northeast on Tuesday and Wednesday as an upper trough exits from that area. This will bring moderate rainfall to areas stretching from the mid-Mississippi and Ohio valleys all the way down to the mid-Atlantic. If you're planning any outdoor activities in these regions, be prepared for a bit of wet weather. For example, if you're in Philadelphia or Pittsburgh, expect rain showers throughout Tuesday with highs around 58 degrees on average. Meanwhile, out west, we'll see another round of enhanced precipitation as an upper trough digs into the region. This means that while the moisture feed won't be quite as strong as it was earlier this week, parts of the west and southwest can still expect some snowfall in higher elevations. As we move further into next week, things get a bit more complex with the progression of downstream systems leading to increased moisture and instability over central and eastern regions of the country. This setup could result in a growing area of moderate to heavy rains and possibly even some strong thunderstorms from the south-central U.S. moving eastward as we head towards the middle and end of next week. So, keep your umbrellas handy if you're in these areas, and make sure to check back for updates as we get closer to those dates. Now let's bring it home to the Ohio Valley. We've got quite a mix today across our region, so let's dive right in. Starting off in Illinois, if you're in Chicago this morning, wake up to mostly cloudy skies with temperatures around 58 degrees. Expect some gusty winds at about 15 miles per hour. As the day rolls on, it will be partly sunny with highs near 66, but those temps will drop a bit by afternoon. Over in Aurora, you'll see similar conditions to Chicago. The overnight low was around 56 degrees and temperatures are expected to rise slightly before morning. Saturday looks like a mix of sun and clouds with a high reaching about 68. And for Naperville, we're looking at mostly cloudy skies overnight with a low of 57 degrees and gusty winds up to 25 miles per hour. Saturday will be partly sunny, but expect those temperatures to drop off in the afternoon. Moving over to Indiana, in Indianapolis today, it's going to be mostly cloudy with highs near 73 degrees. The wind will pick up to around 16 miles per hour and gusts could reach as high as 31 miles per hour. Tonight, it'll be partly cloudy with a low of about 40. Fort Wayne will have a similar forecast to Indianapolis today, with mostly cloudy skies and highs near 70 degrees. The wind is going to blow at around 20 miles per hour. Overnight, expect the temperature to drop down to around 38 degrees. And in Evansville, you'll see mostly sunny conditions with temperatures reaching up to 76 degrees by midday, but dropping slightly as the afternoon progresses. Tonight will be partly cloudy and cooler with a low of about 46 degrees. Now let's head over to Kentucky. In Louisville today is going to be partly sunny with highs near 74 degrees. The wind will pick up to around 15 miles per hour. As for tonight, there's a chance of rain showers between 8 p.m. and 1 a.m., so keep your umbrellas handy. Lexington has mostly cloudy skies today with temperatures reaching about 72 degrees. Wind speeds are expected to be around 20 miles per hour. Tonight you'll have a higher chance of rain showers between 8 p.m. and 30 a.m., so make sure to check the weather before heading out. And in Bowling Green, expect overnight conditions to be mostly cloudy with temperatures dropping down to about 56 degrees. Saturday will bring partly sunny skies with highs near 77 degrees and gusty winds up to 30 miles per hour. Let's move over to Ohio. In Columbus, there's a slight chance of rain between 4 p.m. and 5 p.m. today, but mostly cloudy conditions are expected with temperatures reaching about 68 degrees. Tonight, you'll see another chance of light showers between 7 p.m. and 10 p.m., so keep an umbrella close. Cleveland will have a slightly rainy start to the night after 4 a.m. with lows around 44 degrees. Saturday brings rain likely after 8 a.m., with temperatures reaching about 63 degrees, but expect gusty winds up to 36 miles per hour. And in Cincinnati, you'll see mostly cloudy skies today with highs near 71 degrees and a chance of light showers between 7 p.m. and 10 p.m. tonight. Now over to Pennsylvania. Pittsburgh will have a slight chance of rain showers this afternoon, but expect mostly cloudy conditions with temperatures reaching about 62 degrees. Tonight there's a higher chance of rain showers before 7 p.m., followed by thunderstorms likely between 7 p.m. and 2 a.m., so stay weather aware. Philadelphia is looking at partly sunny skies today with highs around 58 degrees. The wind will be light, but expect some scattered showers tonight. And in Allentown, you'll see mostly cloudy conditions today with a high of about 56 degrees and a chance of rain showers after 5 p.m., so keep an umbrella handy. Finally, over to Tennessee. In Nashville, you'll have mostly sunny skies today with temperatures reaching up to 77 degrees. Expect some gusty winds as well. Tonight will be mostly cloudy but cooler with lows around 55 degrees. Memphis is looking at a beautiful day ahead with mostly your forecast for today. Stay weather aware and have a great day.